Hey mate. No, I'm good, thanks. Yeah.
You enjoying it?
Yeah, it's alright so far. Good.
20 minutes.
Morning.
Not too bad, thank you. Do you want any coke filling
Can I
anything
have
up?
some Coke, please?
Yeah.
Coke for the road. How's it going?
Very
Beautiful
good.
day.
Very good.
Isn't it, compared to what it looked like it was going to be like?
I never had any doubts.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
What can we get you?
Okay, get some water in there, please.
You hold that. We can get you water, Coke. Good going, mate. Well done. $82. So apologies to the first two runners. I missed you. So this guy's in, I think, in sixth or seventh. Well done, buddy. Good going. Looks like a lovely race. The Punk Panther series, organised by Rick Downs, quite an interesting chap. Punk rock fan, Punk Panther. And we're at the Reservoir Dogs Ultra. Well done, mate. Well done, dude. It's a sexy looking pack. I want one of them. Checkpoint 3 coming up. Well done, guys. Fasten the relay. You got to pretend to run when the camera's rolling, don't you? Well done, mate. Refreshments to your left. With a pole. Well done. Well done. Last third, right?
Well, half.
Last half. Well done, mate. I'm trying to be positive. Here comes the third. Watch your back. You just saw that third lady come in then, didn't you? Look at that competitive nature of the ladies' field. See you. See you later, man. She darted when you came in. She darted when you came in. She was like, right, I'm off.
I'm only going for the short one.
She doesn't know that. See it? It's a flyby. Well done. Well done, dude. Where are them paddles? I know. I had a good jump just then. Once you're wet, you might as well carry on, eh? A good old puddle here. I'm gonna try and get my try and get some footage here of this puddle. This big old puddle. Here it is. Yeah. Oh, it's coming up again. Don't forget. This looks like my kind of race. I love all this bog skipping, this puddle skipping. At least they're not really bogs, pretty puddly. my shin earlier on a style. Ow. Well done. We're reaching the mid-pack now, we're getting much denser, much shorter distances between runners here as we approach the mid-pack. Yeah, this is the best bit.
Yeah.
What? Well done, mate. Well done. Come on, number one.
Right.
Alright. Straight through.
Thanks.
Straight through that one too. Well done. Long jump coming up. Well done, guys. Hopefully. There's a little jump there.
You were not good enough for that.
Thank you.
That's it. That's it.
Right.
More runners coming this way now. I'm heading back to the checkpoint. Well done, guys. We've got a nice muddy section coming up.
Oh, cheers.
Thank you. Blue team, go. Well done, mate.
Cheers. Thanks.
Cheers. Well done, mate. Bizarre clouds today, really dark and threatening looking, but it feels dry now. It doesn't feel like it's going to rain like it did this morning. Quite a few runners now. If you're watching this video, because I posted it on the Pank Panther, if you're watching this video because I posted it through Punk Panther, just to let you know that I've got a whole load of videos up on YouTube on Greater Running page.
You make me smile.
There you go, you should be smiling all day, especially with the sunshine. Ready guys? You guys f***ing for ages. Well done, good luck, get them 2 points. These guys are after their 2 points, their final 2 points, so they can enter CCC in December for next summer. So let's hope they finish. They look pretty strong. They're taking it easy. They just want those points. Well done, guys. Bus stop this way. There's a bus stop just up the road.
Oh, brilliant. Photo, and then we'll just jump on the bus. I made him. Where's my Yoda? I'll make you a Yoda if you would like a Yoda. I haven't noticed. I've been running with him.
You've been running with her for 4 hours.
Yeah,
And,
I haven't noticed it yet. I'll make you a Yoda.
So just use force.
So yeah, I was going to say you've got an advantage over her.
I definitely.
Yeah.
No.
Well done. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Point on your left.
Thank you.
Quite a relief to get into checkpoint 3. I'm hoping everyone's enjoying their big trog up this this road here. Very busy today as well. It wouldn't usually be, I don't think, but because of the cycle event, it's extremely busy. But most of the motorists are aware of what's going on. Most of them probably cyclists themselves, so even more careful. There's a checkpoint coming up, only 100 metres away.
Thank you.
Well, you can bring yourself some food. It's just up there. Well done, guys. Checkpoint on its way.
Thank you.
What mate? Yeah, checkpoint coming up.
Thank you.
Any other day in history, this would be the quietest road around. Well done. You're coming up to a checkpoint, about 200 metres.
Yeah.
Well done, guys.
112. And I did check in at the last point.
Well done, green team. Point on the left.
There's what?
It's very busy, this road. Watch out.
Okay, thank you. Well, we didn't get that going.
It's all right. There's a guy behind you, and I'm here. Well done.
Oh no.
Well done. Not far from a checkpoint now. I'm doing what I want. Well done. Checkpoint not far away, about 400 metres. Well done, not too far from a checkpoint now, about 800 metres or so. There we go. Look at that. Look at the action cam. Well done, girls. Well, I'm not too about a kilometre away now from the next checkpoint. I've caught a lot of people walking, to be honest, on this horrible slog of the race. Well, you get up to a road soon, and it's a checkpoint. I've just got into this forestry section here, and it smells beautiful. Some of these trees must have just come down, and I can smell the well, I don't know if they're pine or whatever, but they smell amazing. Lovely, lovely. I thought I saw some runners there, but they were 2 road cones. Done. I'm filming everyone. Everyone's responsible. Well done, keep going. See you later. Ready? Look at these sweepers. Sweepers.
Thank you.
You've just blocked him then.